Scotty, are you getting Joey's car ready to go home?
Yes.
Woohoo! So,
Getting cleaned up.
Clean shave. All right, so you got all the parking brakes all adjusted, ready to roll?
Go ahead and push the car.
All right, hold on. Show me. Let me show
me the money.
Grab Joey's stick and make sure it's in neutral. Oh yeah. All right, and there's our brake handle. It's pulled out. Nice. Nice work, Mr. Scotty.
Tight as a virgin. I mean, yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I want to take the parking brake off and then we shall see. Nice. And we're still neutral.
Mm-hmm. And it rolls.
It rolls. Look at that. All right.